Which short story by O. Henry tells the tale of a young couple who each sacrifices their most prized possession to buy a gift for the other, only to realize the gifts are now useless, but their love is priceless? Would this be letter A, the necklace, letter B, the last leaf, letter C, the story of an hour, or letter D, the gift of the Magi? Letter D is tumpak. Okay, so what about the rest of your choices? No? The necklace po is by Guy de Maupassant, about vanity and misfortune. No? So yung nawala niya yung kwintas na hiniram niya mula sa kanyang kaibigan, no? And she worked hard para i-replace yun, no? Only to find out later na peke pala, no? Hindi pala totoo yung necklace. Okay, the last leaf is also by O. Henry, but this is about a story of hope and sacrifice. Yung merong nakaratay, di ba? Nakaratay sa bed, no? So that's the last leaf. And the story of an hour naman po is by Kate Chopin, okay? About freedom after husband's death. Okay, so hinahanap po natin is the gift of the Magi. No? Now, tandaan po ninyo si O. Henry po, na itatanong po siya lagi sa ating let, no? Sa Gen Ed, meron pong common item na he talks about everyday things, or he writes about ordinary, no? Ordinary things in New York. He is from New York, no? So, who is this, di ba? Merong time na 2019 yata, if I can remember correctly. Basta merong season ng let na unang-una, number 1 siya sa Gen Ed, no? So, he wrote about everyday, common day things, no? Everyday common life that happens, no? So, that's O. Henry.